Hey guys, I had a few questions on your homework. Um, I had one about the last few. If you let me know, email me or comment what questions that you had. I would love to make another video explaining any questions that you had. Yeah, hope this helps. So number 15 is find the perimeter of the window. So the perimeter is a circle, so you want to find circumference. So that is going to be, so that's 3 feet. Let's see. There we go. So if circumference is, if I can get my pen to work. All right, so circumference is 2 pi r. Or, or pi times diameter. So right here we're given the whole thing. So we're given diameter. So we're going to go pi times diameter route for the circumference. So we're going to do pi times 3. So if we use 3.14 for pi, that is going to be 9.42. Now you gotta understand that this is look. This right here is a half circle. So 9.42 would be a whole circle, so you gotta cut it in half. So you gotta take that and divide by 2. So that should be 4.71. Okay, so that's about 4.71 feet. Again, so we're given diameter, so we do pi times diameter, which is pi times 3. 3.14 times 3 is 9.42. But since it's not a whole circle, it's a half. It's cut in half. You gotta divide this by 2, which is 4.71. Okay, so that's for number 15. For number 16, same thing. So find the perimeter of the window to the nearest tenth. So you have to notice that this is circle. Again, it's a half a circle, but the outer edge is a circle. If you find the edge around, perimeter means around the shape. And this time we're given the radius. So we're going to actually do 2 pi r. So 2 times pi. That looks like an m, not a pi. Let's see if we can. 2 times pi times r. So the radius is 20, so 2 times pi, let's make that 2 a little better. I need to get one of those stick things. Times 20, which is your radius. So 2 times 3.14 times 20. So that would be, I got 125.6. Let me do that again, just to double. Yep, 2.56. Now that's circumference, which means the whole around the circle. So now you got to do half of it because this is a half circle. So you got to divide by 2. I'm going to take that and divide by 2, and I get 62.8. Okay, so again, just notice what you're given, diameter, radius, whether you're in 2 pi times radius or pi times diameter. And then see, do you have the whole circle or do you have half the circle? In 15 and 16, you're given half the circle, so you have to divide by 2. Let me know, 1, if it helps, 2, if you have any other questions that you want me to go over.